Remember wishing on birthday candles? Hoping for a magic trick to solve your problems? Generative AI is like that, minus the cake and the fire hazard. It's not magic, but this technology feels like it can conjure things out of thin air. You type in a request, a prompt, generative AI spits out text, images, music, you name it. It's like having a hyper-caffeinated intern who can mimic any style. Except this intern never sleeps and demands payment in data, not coffee. So, how does it work? Let's talk about something everyone understands: food. Specifically, let's imagine an AI chef. Imagine a chef, but not just any chef. This one is extraordinary. This chef has absorbed every cookbook ever written, from ancient recipes to modern culinary masterpieces. That's generative AI. It's trained on massive amounts of data, much like a chef mastering countless recipes. Think of it as the chef's culinary school, but instead of years of grueling work, it's all the data, all at once, processed in seconds. You give the AI chef a recipe, your prompt, which could be anything you imagine. This could be write a poem about cats, capturing their playful and mysterious nature. Or compose a catchy jingle for toothpaste, making dental care sound fun and exciting. The AI then uses its vast knowledge to whip up what you ask for, combining ingredients, data, in new and interesting ways, just like a chef experimenting with flavors. Now, just like any chef, the AI's output depends on the quality of ingredients and the clarity of the recipe. The better the data, the better the result. Give it garbage data, get garbage results. It's a simple equation. Give it a vague prompt, expect a confused dish. Clear instructions lead to a masterpiece. Here's where things get really fun and slightly terrifying. Generative AI can mimic different styles and tones. Want a Shakespearean sonnet about the agony of waiting for your instant ramen to cook? AI can do that. Need a yo mama joke that would make even your middle school self cringe? AI's got you covered. This is because the AI has learned the patterns and nuances of language. It's like that friend who can flawlessly imitate anyone, from your grandma to that one weird guy who used to sing karaoke in the park. But remember, just because the AI can mimic style doesn't mean it understands the meaning. It's like a parrot repeating phrases. Impressive, sure, but lacking that certain je ne sais quoi of actual understanding. Hold your horses. Now, before we all start bowing down to our new AI overlords, let's take a breath. Seriously, take a moment to inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Generative AI is cool, no doubt. It's like having a superpower at your fingertips, but it's not about to replace writers, artists, or, well, late-night comedy hosts yet. These roles require a human touch, a spark of creativity that AI just can't replicate. Think of it as a tool, like a really fancy spatula. It's shiny, it's new, and it can do some impressive things. It can help you flip your creative pancakes faster, making the process smoother and more efficient. But it won't write the next great American novel on its own. AI is lacking the depth of human experience and emotion. The real magic happens when humans and AI collaborate. Together, they can achieve things neither could do alone. We bring the creativity, the critical thinking, the ability to tell a good umama joke from a truly bad one. AI brings the speed, the efficiency, the ability to churn out content faster than a room full of caffeinated zombies with typewriters. It's a partnership where each side complements the other. AI's got issues, just like the rest of us. Remember that bit about garbage in, garbage out? It's a fundamental principle in the world of AI. Well, it turns out the world is full of garbage data. and AI systems are not immune to it. This means AI can sometimes generate biased, offensive, or just plain weird content that can surprise and even shock us. It's like that time you accidentally taught your parrot to swear at the mailman. Hilarious for you, but not so much for everyone else. Funny for you, mortifying for everyone else. These moments highlight the unpredictable nature of AI. The point is, AI is a work in progress. It's constantly learning, evolving, and hopefully getting less problematic over time. But this evolution requires careful monitoring. But it's on us, the humans, to guide it, to train it, and to make sure it doesn't accidentally launch a global campaign of offensive limericks. We must be vigilant and proactive in our approach. Alright, it's practice time. In this section, we'll show you how to dive into the world of generative AI and create your own story. Links and the prompt are in the description below. We'll use GPT-3 for this example, but feel free to explore with Gemini or any other AI tool. Head over to OpenAI's GPT-3 Playground. If you don't have an account, sign up. If you already do, just log in. Once you're in, click on the Playground tab. In the text box, paste the prompt from the description. Sit back and enjoy the creative story the AI generates based on your prompt. Now it's your turn. We want to hear from you. Try out the prompt. Then, drop a comment below and tell us which tool you use and share the fantastic story you got. We can't wait to see what amazing tales your AI creates. The future is weird, but maybe fun. So there you have it. Generative AI. It's like a magic chef, a master mimic, and a slightly problematic friend all rolled into one. It's changing how we create, consume, and think about content. Will it take over the world? Unlikely. Will it make us laugh, cry, and scratch our heads in confusion? Almost certainly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. See you next time.